Today, we will talk about the marginal rate of technical substitution, MRTS. The marginal rate of technical substitution is an economic theory that illustrates the rate at which one factor must decrease so that the same level of productivity can be maintained when another factor is increased. For example, if a company wants to maintain the same level of productivity, it may need to decrease the amount of capital used as labor increases. This is a way for companies to maintain a constant output level despite changes in their input levels. The formula for the MRTS is MRTS equals change in capital / change in labor. This formula helps calculate the rate at which one factor of production can be replaced with another factor of production, while maintaining the same level of output. This is useful for companies to understand how to optimize their input levels for the best possible output of their goods or services. An isoquant is a graph showing combinations of capital and labor that will yield the same output. The slope of the isoquant indicates the MRTS, or at any point along the isoquant how much capital would be required to replace a unit of labor at that production point. To calculate the MRTS, you would need to determine the slope of the isoquant, commonly represented as dL/dk. This gives companies insights into their production processes and how to maintain a similar level of output while making changes to their input levels. The MRTS tells us about the rate at which one input can be substituted for another while maintaining the same level of output. For example, if a company can give up 4 units of capital for an additional unit of labor and still maintain the same output, the MRTS is 4. Understanding MRTS helps companies optimize their production processes, especially in the face of changing input levels. A decline in MRTS for producing the same level of output is called the diminishing marginal rate of substitution. This often occurs as companies add more or less of a certain input to maintain their output. Here are 2 key takeaways. 1. The marginal rate of technical substitution shows the rate at which you can substitute one input, such as labor, for another input, such as capital, without changing the level of resulting output. 2. The isoquant, or curve on a graph, shows all of the various combinations of the 2 inputs that result in the same amount of output. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.